uncle wrote a letter to him asking for a personalized autograph.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has extended the flood warning for northeastern Washington County and southeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. At 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the gauge on Duck Creek at Maxburg was in crest at 13.93 feet, which is almost a foot above Banksville. At stages between 13 and 15 feet, Broad Street starts to flood near the creek. Homes on the left bank start to flood. Campground next to gauge floods. Downstream, the gauge at Whipple was nearing crest at Banksville level of 12 feet. Between 11 and 13 feet, sections of State Routes 26, 821, and 1.
I'm done. Contrast.
Beauty sip.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Maxburg, vehicles,
Like.
do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report flooding by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
Trace our roots back